Hey guys, today I put together a beginner's RFT flow for you. So this is a style of training that requires no equipment, quite easy to perform, but also quite effective in what it can do for your body conditioning. So all you need is just a small bit of space. It can be done in your living room, outside in the garden, wherever you see fit. So we're going to do 5 reps of each of these exercises, and we're just going to flow them into each other. Now, the first one's going to be a crawl, so which will get you down on the ground. You're going to start with your hands nice and tight together inside of shoulders, knees just underneath hips. From there, I want you to just dig your toes into the ground. You're going to lift your knees off the ground, but keep them nice and low. What we're going to do is take about 5 steps out, working opposite arm to opposite leg. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to reverse crawl back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you've gotten back to the start, drop your knees down to the ground, and we're going to go into a push-up. Okay, so you're going to just lower yourself down. You can do a knee push-up. We're going for 5 reps. 2, 3, 4, last one, 5. From there, you're going to bring yourself up into a standing position. I want you to get your feet nice and wide. And we're going to drop down into a squat. Bring your arms down by your side at the bottom of your squat and swing them forward as you come up onto your toes. Okay, it's called a dynamic squat. 3, we're going to do 5 of these as well. 4, 5. From there, we're then going to go into a lunge. I want you to drop your arms down by your side as you step back and swing your arms up as your knee comes up, trying to get the 2 coordinated together. I want you to do 5 reps on one leg, and then you're going to move on to 5 onto the other leg. 4, last one, 5. And then you can repeat the circuit again. So there's different ways of going about it. You can give yourself a set limit, maybe set it 3 times, or maybe put a timer on and see how many times you can go through that flow in that timer.